Hi, I'm MathHead, not MethHead. Love it or hate it, mathematics is used absolutely everywhere. From personal finance to investing, fitness and health, medicine, anywhere you can think of where there's research conducted, mathematics is a prominent player. Want to know the odds of winning the lottery or creating a successful business? Mathematics. Want to know the odds of dying from a specific disease? Hey, again, mathematics. Anytime you're talking about probability, statistics, or any type of cause and effect relationship, mathematics is going to be there. Now, that doesn't mean that just because there's a pattern, mathematics will be able to tell you exactly what's going to happen. Mathematics just helps elucidate these features in life. With this channel, I want to use applied mathematics in everything, everyday life situations. So whether it's budgeting or personal finance, or how to lift weights and create your own exercise program, my hope is that I can show you how mathematics can be extremely useful and move along from those dreaded word problems that you hated doing in school to actually applying and loving mathematics. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notifications so every time I release a new video, you will be informed. Thanks so much for stopping by, and let's go do some math, not meth.